Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two electric spin brushes. So here I have the horsepower and here I have the YKYI. So both of these take USB-C to charge them. The horsepower is completely waterproof if you've got this cover that covers the USB-C charging point. So if this is on, I can submerge this in water. This one's very simple. Turn it on, one speed, very powerful. We got a battery indicator back here to let us know how much charge we got left. Press it again, it's off. We can take the different heads on and off, very easy. Just line them up and snap them on. Very simple. Over here on this one, this is also a handheld one. Now I cannot completely submerge this in water. I can get this area right here wet, but I cannot get the rest of the unit wet. There is a cap over here whenever you don't have it on the long handle. But I can put this one on the long handle. And then I can extend it so that I can do a really, really long reach with it. So when it's on the handle, I can so I don't have to bend over to use it. It's very sturdy. I can turn it on. And it does speak to you, and it's got 3 speeds. So there, I got this long handle. These are also easy to change out, just simply take them on and off. But the interesting thing is these cleaning heads that fit the horsepower will also fit this one. Just line them up, snap them on. But also the cleaning heads over here that fit this one will also fit on the horsepower. That's kind of neat. Now I do think the horsepower has a little bit more power. Doesn't bog down quite as much. Let's go over here to this one. But this one does have 3 speeds and it does speak to you. So you turn it on. There's a display to let you know the battery percentage. Then I gotta go, there's low. There's low, medium, there's high. It does a good job. This is grippy right here so I can grip it. Now with the horsepower, it is simply a handheld. I cannot put an extension on it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.